Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into some fantastic manufacturing business ideas. Perfect for local markets. All powered by the amazing simplicity of simple machines. These ideas are designed to be accessible, cost-effective, and impactful in your community. Let's get started. First, a woodworking business. Using levers, like a crowbar, for prying and wedges for splitting wood. You can create a variety of products. Custom furniture, picture frames, or wooden toys are good examples. The raw materials are often locally sourced, supporting sustainability and reducing costs. With the right skills and machines, the possibilities are endless. Next, a metalworking venture. Simple machines such as inclined planes and screws are key. You could manufacture garden tools, small metal art, or custom brackets. The durability of metalworking is a strength. A manual press, employing a lever system, is effective for shaping metal. Now, let's explore a pottery business. This uses the power of the wheel and the lever. Handmade pottery, from mugs and plates to decorative items, is always in demand. The clay can often be sourced locally, reducing costs. The potter's wheel is a wheel and axle in action, transforming clay. Then, a food processing enterprise. Use simple machines for grinding grains or pressing fruit. A lever system can manually press fruits for juices, jams, and preserves, offering a healthy local alternative. A screw press can extract oil from seeds, and the business can offer freshly ground flours. Another option is a small-scale repair business. Using various simple machines such as a lever for lifting, screws for fastening, and wedges for separating, you can offer repair services. From bicycles to appliances, a repair service can cater to a wide range of needs, encouraging sustainability. Let's think about a small-scale printing business. Using levers, inclined planes, and wheels, you can offer printing services for local businesses. Print posters, flyers, and business cards for your community. A manual printing press is a classic example. Now, let's consider the production of soap. Simple machines such as levers for stirring and wedges for cutting can transform raw materials into a useful product. Handmade soaps, especially those using local ingredients, are very popular, offering a natural and unique product. Finally, think about a small-scale farming equipment manufacturing business. Create simple hand tools like hoes, rakes, or even small plows. These are essential for small farmers. Using levers, inclined planes, and wedges, you can offer durable tools that cater to a very important local need. The market for farming tools is always there. Each of these business ideas utilizes simple machines in a practical and cost-effective manner. They're designed to be sustainable, supporting the local economy. Remember, the key to success is careful planning, understanding your local market, and passion for your craft. Good luck!